scribbling at the corners of notebooks became a relentless hobby. I pursued the art form mandala. I draw concentric motifs because of my love with patterns. In fact, mandala is a Sanskrit word that means circle. We can look to nature to witness various forms of mandalas. Flowers are the best example. A pebble thrown in a pond, seashells, snails are some other forms. In all these forms, a circular pattern emerges naturally. Mandalas can depict snapshots of our emotional, spiritual, and physical well being. This whirlwind lockdown provided me with a reason and a means to indulge in this art. It gave me solace and kept me going, along with the support provided by ADB with work from home. My short story? It is about how concentration of these coordinated patterns helped me with work from home. Shifting from the household work to office work was never easy. I began these drawings as a medium to change my focus on work. Now my experiment with art is helping me to express the anxiety of work, home, and everything around me. I even got my kids to try their hand at the various art forms I am currently indulging in, like acrylics, abstract, pour and knife painting. And this art form is slowly growing into me. I now have a dedicated social media page on Instagram, which is one of the few positive sides of lockdown and would not be possible in any other time. I did some sessions on mindfulness which had participants beyond my expectation, and this appreciation in my kitty has inspired me to do more. At times I feel the more I am in lockdown, the more I am able to express myself through my art. I would also like to add that I am currently in discussion with an art gallery that will be hosting a virtual exhibition soon, and the proceeds of which will go to save the children that work for rights of children in India. That's how I would like to quote a great spiritual writer, Thomas Merton. Art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time.
Hi everyone. If you've seen my story so far, here is my request to you all. Let us just be kind and compassionate to every human being around us. Let us stop judging people and start accepting them as they are. Let us be more willing to reach out to family and friends. Some of them may be struggling during these tough times. Let us make good mental health a priority. Be happy and stay safe. Thank you.